Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how can you share your screen and who all have the option of sharing their screens. Not everyone can share the screen. It is the host who gives the power to certain people who can share those screens, and they are known as panelists. So in short, only the panelists can share their screens. Let's see how it can be done. So I am using my username and password, and the people who do not have it, they can simply sign up for the same, and how to sign up can be seen in the sign up video. So let me schedule a conference. So I'm using my username and my password for the same, and I log in. So these are all the topics that I have already created a meeting or a conference. So this is sort of a report that has been generated. I'll create a new meeting. The title of my meeting is screen sharing, and the name of the room is share screen. So this is the common room with help of which you can join in the meeting. And I selected when I have to continue this date. This is the code that has been generated. So I'll simply copy the code and save it for myself for further reference. Now I'll save this meeting. The meeting has been scheduled. Now it asks me to add a panelist. So I am using an email ID which will act as a panelist. And this is the code that this panelist will use to join in the meeting. And I add a panelist. So I can add multiple panelists depending upon the requirement. So the details are over here. I can simply share the panelist. And the meeting is done. The meeting has been scheduled. You want to delete this particular meeting, or you want to share, let's say you want to share the meeting invite with people, you can share the meeting invite. So for the panelist, I'm just viewing the panelist and sharing the details with this panelist so that she can join, and I send the email with the password to join the meeting. Okay, and now I close it, and okay, now I'll start the meeting. Simply type in the room name and start the meeting. So it is connected to the meeting. Meanwhile, all of the people who are invited to the meeting, and since you are the host, so you have to initiate the meeting, and it will ask you if you are the host, so it will verify your credentials being the host, and you simply verify them, and you have started with the meeting. Meanwhile, other people have, like, see, Pooja has also joined in the meeting. So you share your screen with the other people, whatever way you want to share the entire window, your screen, and you simply say share. Once you share it, you say share, so other people will be able to see your screen. Okay, now you stop sharing your screen. Now you want Pooja to share her screen. She is not able to see the share button that Mahima used to have. So this was the share button, but you see Pooja doesn't have button to share. But she, being a panelist, she can simply go. She will now say, I want to join as a panelist. And with the help of the code that has been shared to her over her email, she puts in the code and gets it verified. The code is verified. Now she becomes the panelist, and she is now able to share her screen. This way Pooja is able to share the screen. Now you can see Pooja able to share the screen. Mahima is able to share the screen. Since Mahima is the host, she has all the rights. So that is the reason she is able to share the screen. But when Pooja joined in as a panelist, then only she is able to share the screen. Otherwise, she was not permitted to share the screen. Thank you.